Okay, we're gonna give my little chickens their new coop, their mini chickshaw. For now, I'm just gonna set the coops side by side and open the doors so they can go in and out and kind of inspect their new dwelling and get used to it before I put them inside it for the night. Okay, sunset is coming soon. It's time to put the chicks in their new coop for the night. The whole barnyard had to come and inspect what was happening. And there we go, all snuggled in.